Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I ended up filming this video like 3 different times, and I just felt like this short little Instagram story clips are just the best, fastest way to get to this look, because the first video was kind of long. It wasn't a little video at all. It was like 30 minutes long, so I made things a little shorter, easier for you guys, easier for me, and let's just get down to the shadow, right? So I did use the Pretty Poison palette for this look today, and you can get it at badhabitbeauty.com. These shimmers are so pretty. Hi, I'm watching myself through the mirror on my phone. Okay. The mattes, some are better than others, honestly, but there's more shimmers in this palette than there are mattes, so I think it's totally worth it. I think it's like 16 bucks. But these are so beautiful, and oh wow, that's my whole desk. We're gonna just flip this up. And they are just like so reflective and gorgeous, and they're very long lasting too, which some shimmers will just wear off throughout the day. Not these bad boys. And then I have the chiffon lashes on from Bad Habit Beauty. They're obviously not in here anymore, they're on my eyes, but I was really intimidated by these at first. Please excuse this eye, it's red and my eye is watering. But I was nervous about these at first because they were really big, just bigger than anything I usually wear on my eyes, because I have little eyes, so I just don't like to go too big. But they're actually really beautiful and natural looking. But I have like 6 other pairs to try out, so I'm gonna wear them and I'll post whatever lash I'm wearing, so you guys can, pick your favorites and see which kind you maybe want to try out. I think they're like 6 or 7 bucks. They're pretty cheap. They're not very expensive lashes. But one last thing. Oh, okay. So I used the Gold Dust palette from AS Cosmetics. This is only sold on Hush. So if you have that app, Hush app, this is on here, and I've worn this palette probably 3 or 4 times now, and every time I've worn it, I've got a compliment on my highlight. It's just so stinking pretty. It is very wet highlighter look. I love it. This one's my favorite shade, and this is the one I have on today, but it looks almost white, but it's gold, obviously. And yeah, I'm gonna do another video actually now on that palette and the the eyeshadow palette from AS Cosmetics. I don't know how to say her last name. It's Amber Scholl, I think is how you pronounce it. She came out with a cosmetic line that is only sold on Hush. So I am going to review the palette and the eye palette as well after this, but I just wanted to get this up. I know it's been a while, and I know it's been a while since I actually did this look and posted it on my Instagram, so thank you for being patient and waiting. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Please feel free to drop any comments, questions, concerns, anything like that below, and stick around for the next video. I will see you guys next time. Thanks, guys.